7 days trapped in a blizzard, and this man survived against all odds. No food, no shelter, temperatures below freezing. Every step, snow sinking to his knees. His only makeshift shelter collapsed under snow. He was buried, suffocated. By day 3, he was starving, trembling uncontrollably. His hands were frostbitten, his body failing. Then he heard footsteps. A predator was circling. He had no weapon, no escape. He remembered one trick: fire, sparks, smoke, heat, survival. After 7 days, frostbitten and exhausted, he stumbled out of the mountains, alone, against the odds, alive.